Today, I'm challenging myself to find the best ways to make extra money from anywhere in the world, and I'll share every step of the journey with you. The concept of making money from anywhere is extremely flexible and offers countless opportunities, making it easier than ever to turn your skills into a side hustle. Lack of time is a major challenge people face when trying to earn extra income, as many believe they need to dedicate a large chunk of their day to make any significant amount of money. Many individuals also struggle with finding the right skills or knowledge to get started, feeling overwhelmed by the numerous options available. People often underestimate their abilities, thinking they need to be an expert in a particular field to make money, which holds them back from exploring different opportunities. The fear of uncertainty and the risk of failure also discourage many from taking the first step towards making extra money, causing them to miss out on potential financial gains. Freelancing is a popular way to make extra money online, offering a wide range of services such as writing, graphic design, or social media management. Online tutoring is another great option, allowing you to share your knowledge and skills with others while getting paid for it. Creating and selling online courses or ebooks can also generate passive income, providing a steady stream of revenue with minimal effort required. Affiliate marketing is another viable option, where you promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. A unique method of making money that's often overlooked is selling stock photos, which can be done by anyone with a good camera and an eye for photography. This method is simple and viability is high, as many businesses and websites are constantly looking for high-quality images to use in their marketing materials. You can sell your photos on stock photo websites such as Shutterstock or iStock, and earn money every time someone downloads your image. Creating and selling an online plugin or template can also be a lucrative option, as many people are looking for convenient solutions to simplify their workflow. You can create a plugin or template that solves a common problem and sell it on your website or through online marketplaces. The key points to take away are that making extra money is accessible and achievable for everyone, regardless of their skills or knowledge. If you've got a favorite way to make extra money, share it with us in the comments below. And if you're looking for more ways to boost your income, check out our other video on making money online.